welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome to 2022. Yes, my first video in the new year. Okay, how y'all been doing? What are you guys' goals for 2022? I'm gonna tell you, this year I'm ready to travel. I'm ready to spend more time with my glam babies. I got 4 beautiful glam babies. Not that I don't spend time with them, but I work too goddamn much, okay? I'm going to take a step back and I'm going to start taking some PTO time. I want to work on my health, my strength, my mental, okay? Those are the things that I'm looking for in 2022. What are you guys' goals for this year, okay? Let me know down below. Let's have a conversation. I'm curious to see what people are thinking about as the new year is here and things that they want to change or things that they want to accomplish. Those are my goals, and I'm damn sure gonna try to reach all of them, okay? Anywho, y'all are here for this new drip, okay? She is fire, she is cute, and I got it not only in 1 color, but 2. Now, as I'm talking, I'll let you see the number 1, because most people want to know about this color, okay? This is tie-dye. Yes, I know you wondering, what is she? What she look like? Woo! I know you wondering, boo-boo. Don't worry, you just got to stay tuned and figure out what I got up on my head, okay? Anywho, if y'all are new to the Sweets family and you just clicked on this thumbnail to check out this drip, go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Let's hop right in to this video. Ow! Hey y'all, today we got 2 colors but in 1 wig. Let's hop right into it. So this first beautiful unit right here, she is called Jace, and this is a lace front unit, you guys, and she is a half up, half down, and I have her in the color tie-dye and in the color number 1. Look at that tie-dye color. It's so freaking pretty. Okay, I couldn't wait to get this wig. Now I'm gonna also show you the number 1. The number 1 is also fire if you don't want to mix in your colors. So we're going to hop right into opening up these units. Of course, you guys always want to see the color. So that's the first one that we're going to start with. Look how gorgeous that color is. I was a little scared at first because I was like, girl, the pink and the green. I was like, But here is the back of our little ponytail. You just got to slip that out, and they have that on there with a little pin. But this ponytail, you'll need to do a little something to make it a little bit tight. That's how it's looking just right out of the box. And then they have this little wrap situation around it. Cute, but you're going to have to do a little work. She is very soft. Look at those curls. I love the curls on this unit. It is very, very pretty. Here is a look at the top of the unit. Look at the lace. Look how they have that split in that color of that tie-dye. It's so pretty. I'm like, I don't know what it's gonna look like, but here's the inside of the cap. Of course, it's got 2 combs off to the side. That's about all the lace that you get up top, and then you also have a comb in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps. And then the lace is very soft, not kind of rough. The stretchability on this is very good if you have a bigger head. I need to measure my head and see how big my head is so I can tell y'all. But here is up close the stock card. And like I said, this is tie-dye. This is the back color. She's a versatile wig because you can wear her up, you can wear her down. There's a few ways to wear her, but we'll get into that later. So let's go ahead and pop open this next color, which is the all black unit. Same everything, you got to pop that out. Same with this. The top piece, you're gonna have to do a little bit of work unless you like your pony kind of loose, but I mean, it all looks really, really good. But again, you're gonna have to go through and do some finagling with that. And then of course everything is the same here, same cap construction and everything. And then they have the little pieces up front to frame your face. And the texture doesn't feel different. Both of the textures feel very good on there. So here I'm just showing you where I'm putting my adjustable straps, and I'm going to pop on the tie-dye one first. Like I said, I know you guys love these colors, so that one we're going to get started with first and just kind of pop her on and see what we're kind of working with. Yes, yes, yes. just putting her on. She felt really good putting her on, but you definitely need to make sure that you secure those combs in the front, and you'll see why, because I was getting to finagling the front of the unit, and then I hadn't secured the unit in the front and it was moving around. But as you can see, I mean, if you want to go in and pluck that, I did not go in and pluck mine. I thought it looked okay for what I was doing. So if you want to, if you're that type of person that like your hairline to be all good and not looking like it has a demarcation, you can go in and unpluck that a little bit. But I didn't want to mess with that just because I didn't want to mess up the ponytail. If I was going to wear it down, I would probably go in and do that. But I will wait till the unit gets a little old before I take it down, because I love a updo, honey. Okay, my old behind, I like me a cute little updo. So now you're going to see me go in and make sure that I put those combs in there, and the combs fit really good. They fit nice and tight. They are properly placed. I like where they are placed at, so that they can kind of secure the unit down. So that's a good pro about that. And like I said, the hair is very soft. It's got that snap back to it. It's like you can run your fingers through it. You can run a brush through it. And then it just really snaps right back into place, which, hey, is a plus. But you are going to have to do a little bit of work, you know, kind of getting it around your ear. And, of course, that ponytail at the top. That is a hot mess. So you're going to have to do a little finagling with that. Even trying to just like tighten it at the top. Yeah, that wasn't going to work in, honey. You're going to have to take that down and redo it. But I'm just going to show you the back here real quickly before we get into all that. As you can see, it is very full. It has some good density on it. And like I said, the curls. What? Come on now. Come through. Them curls are, yes, they are sexy. I love it. So right now you'll see me speeding up the video, and I'm trying to get that ponytail at the top right. I could have done this on my head, my little separate head, but I was like, no, I want to do this on my head in real time. It just kind of works better for me. But I was having a time trying to get that thing around there taken off. This little wrap situation they had on there was just, good God. I'm like, what in the hell? It was just not working, y'all. Okay. So I went in there and took that out so that I can redo that ponytail at the top, because I wanted my ponytail to be nice and tight and not all loose and hanging off. So that's what you see me doing now, going in there, retighten that up, and it looked a whole lot better than me than what it did before. Now, I was trying to put this wrap situation back on there. Girl, that wasn't happening, okay? I was like, how the hell does this damn thing go? I'm like, does it go in the front? Does it go in the back? Because it has a little bit of clip. And I was like, how in the hell do I get this back on there? It was just not working. I did get it back on there, but I was like, girl, this is a hot ass mess. Eventually I went and took that off. I was like, yeah, that's just not working for me. But you'll see later on in the video that I took that doggone thing out. It was just not working. And again, you'll see me brushing here. I was getting a little bit of tangling. And so before I came in the video, I used a little bit of my olive oil and just put it down there at the bottom. This is how long she is. So she comes down to like the mid part of my boob. So not extra long, but she is long. Okay. I was like, I got to figure out what I want to do here. So I'm going to go in and tint her right now with my little tint spray. I already got my makeup on it, but I'm going to go in just those little light parts around there. I'm going to tint those. And then I want to make sure that I get the front tinted as well. As I'm going to be cutting some of this off, I want to make sure that that is tinted when it's on my head so it matches me. Okay. So we're going to get started with the next one too. And it's pretty much the same thing. Putting this black one on, and I'm showing you where I'm putting the adjustable straps, putting her on. It's the same thing. I didn't find any difference between the color and just getting just a straight number one, because sometimes you can get different texture or it fits differently. But I didn't feel anything different coming from the color to the black. And really the only difference is the whole unit Both units are all black except for you got that color up front. That is really the only difference. But, you know, to each his own. You may not want to be dealing with all that color, and you may want something just, you know, just kind of plain and simple. So the number one would be the option for you. And I'm just going through the same steps as I did the other one, kind of securing the front out of the way because I don't want to mess with them curls. And then I'm going to brush it out, of course, put them combs in so that is secure on my head. And then I'm going to be messing with that ponytail. I got to get that ponytail right. See, on this one, I was trying to just tighten it up. It was just, it wasn't working. I was like, I need to take this down and redo it myself for it to feel efficient enough to me. And that's exactly what I did. And it looks way better. But that wrap situation, honey, that was just off to the side. So now that I didn't cut that off, I'm going to put this tie-dye one back on. We are going to style her, make her look all cute, cute, cute. And then we are going to talk about it. Like I said, y'all leave me some comments below and let me know how y'all feeling about her. But this unit is really cute. You got to do just a little bit of work to get her cute. I was getting just a little bit of shedding, but she is coming through, okay? She is serving it up. This would be good for a little cute little date night, or if you're going like to a wedding or a special occasion, y'all. Yes, this would be cute. Let's talk. For a while, y'all, but I was like, when I first seen her on divatress.com, and I was like, I don't know. I said, my old ass. I said, but I like updos. I was like, no, I'll pass. And I kept seeing review after review after review. I was like, let me get this damn wig. I was like, this is cute. But by the time I went to go get her, I can only get her off of eBay. So I actually bought this off of eBay. So I will leave the links down below. It took about a week for me to get both of them. Not too bad. But I just looked on here today. Divatress then restocked, y'all. Okay. So I'll leave both links down below. Check the description box where you can go and cop you a couple of these. And they have like all the colors. Okay. I might go back in there and just buy me a couple more. Y'all know how I do when I like a wig. I'll go buy them motherfuckers out. But anywho, we gonna talk about Jace. Okay. Cute, cute, cute drip. Zury. Zury is coming with the fire. So this is Miss Jace, and I have her in the color FFT tie-dye. This is the tie-dye one, and I also got her in a color number 1. Now, as I'm talking to keep the video kind of short, you'll see me put some side cards up here of what the number 1 looks like. It's pretty much the same, just without the tie-dye in the front. And I got some pictures and stuff where you can actually see where you can see the little tie-dye, but I put it as the little swoop, okay, just to record this video, which is cute. Then I just put my little pin up there. Now I will tell you, now you seen y'all, they need to come correct with the ponytail. It was loose, okay, and trying to take off that little raggedy piece that was on the top, okay, this little wrap situation right here, okay, trying to get that back on. I was like, the hell with it. I was like, okay, it wasn't right. So I was like, we gonna nix that, okay? But let's get into some of the specs of Miss Jace. A premium synthetic fiber. She's a half up and down and swoop bang, split bang, full down HD lace wig. And she comes with baby hairs that says that she heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now you can see there's different ways that you can wear her. There's the split bang in the top, and I'll just do the stop card, and then I'll just put like little cards over here to where you can see the little tie-dye in the front on me. So you can do the split bang, you can do the swoop bang right here, which is how I have it right now. And then also you can take all of this down, okay? Gorgeous. I love the versatility in this wig. There's multiple things that you can do with it. You know, when I first saw it, I was like, girl, now you know your ass is too damn old to be getting that damn wig. But after I had got it on and it's looking all cute, I was like, come on now, 44. What? I am fire, okay? I was like, this is cute. And I just love the curls in this wig. They just bounce back. They so soft. Now, I did go in with some of my olive oil and put it on the hair just because I was getting some tangling at the bottom. Just so I can avoid that, I put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom. And so far, so good. And I did put a little bit up here at the top as well. And I just love the little ponytail action. I love me a good half up, half down, okay, with some little versatility. It is cute, cute, cute. And then I just put, you know, a little clip in here just off to the side. And just so you guys can see it in real time, I'll take that out and do you see the little tie-dye? Isn't that cute? So you could just kind of split her. Get the other hair out of the way. Just kind of twist her around a little bit. Okay. And boom. Okay. Tie-dye. Oh, this color in the front, framing the face, is like fire. Look at that. Okay, she's still cute. Still cute, 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 cute. I was like, yes, come through. Getting like hairs all in my face now. But yes, what y'all think? So boom, there's your tie-dye. There's your little split, and you can do whatever you want to do with that front piece. This is so gorgeous and so cute. I can't wait to get the fuck up out of this house so I can be going down slaying, okay? Yes, 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 yes. Now the texture is more of a like silky, but I'm here for it. You know, I normally like my yaki texture, but this is like a good type silky. It's like, you know, some fresh, beautiful blowout. It's cute. Not really blowout, but y'all get what I'm talking about. But it's cute. It's so soft. And like I said, them curls just bounce right back. I love it. Y'all know what we do on this channel. Y'all, come on now. Is it a slay or nay? Comment below. It is definitely a slay for me, you guys. And like I said, Diva Trust and restocked. What? I am going to go on there and get me a few more colors before I post this video. I know she like, ain't that about a damn bitch? Yes, honey, because I want to get it. Because last time I looked, they didn't have 0. Okay, they had like none, out of stock. So I'm gonna go on there and cop me a couple more. Yes. This is seriously cute. Again, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a wig that y'all will go get. If y'all been waiting to get her, or if you're like, yeah, I'm not old enough for that. That's not, girl, come on now. I know there's some of my 40s and 50s. Y'all can slay this too. This is so cute. But until next time, my sweets, y'all let me know. Let's chat in the comments. I hope your 2022 is off to a good start. We'll keep chatting, and y'all see me in the next video. Bye.